If a net charge q flows across the cross-section of a conductor in time t, then current I is equal to q by t. So I is equal to q by t, where t is the time, as you know, q is the charge, and I is the electric current. See, I is equal to q by t, where I is electric current, q is charge, t is time, as you know. How will you remember this? So I is a vowel, E is also a vowel, electric current. So I is electric current. You will remember. E is a vowel, I is a vowel, so I is electric current. Q is charge. You know that C and Q both are used for k, pronouncing k, current. So in the same way, C is charge over here. Charge is coulomb. Charge is expressed in coulomb, but symbol is Q. You need to know this. Expressed in coulomb, that is 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulomb. The symbol is capital Q. And electric current is measured in ampere. Symbol is I. You know, this is electric current. E is a vowel, A is also a vowel, so ampere. Ampere, I is the symbol, it is for electric current. Don't get confused. SI unit for electric charge is coulomb. For charge, it is coulomb. Charge is coulomb. Symbol is Q. Please remember this. Very, very important. Symbol is Q. Electric charge expressed in coulomb, which is equivalent to the charge of 6 into 10 to the power of 18 electrons. 1 coulomb is 6 into 10 to the power of 18 electrons. So what is the charge of 1 electron? Charge of 1 electron is 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulomb. Charge of 1 electron. All these are theoretical things, you have to by heart them. Electric current is expressed in ampere. So I is electric current. It is expressed in ampere. I is electric current expressed in ampere. Named after French scientist Henri Marie Ampere. 1 ampere is constituted by the flow of 1 coulomb of charge per second. So 1 ampere is flow of 1 coulomb charge in 1 second time. So that is 1 ampere. 1 ampere is that when 1 coulomb of charge passes in 1 second time. So that's what they've told. Small quantities of current are expressed in milliampere. 1 milliampere is equal to 10 to the power of minus 3 ampere, or microampere is 10 to the power of minus 6 ampere. You can see over here milli and micro. An instrument called ammeter measures the electric current in a circuit. So now we are talking about ammeter. You know ampere? Ampere measures electric current. It is measured in amperes, and ammeter is the instrument. Ammeter is the instrument. An instrument called ammeter measures electric current in a circuit. It is always connected in series in a circuit through which the current is to be measured. So this is the ammeter. Here there is a figure about that. Note the electric current flows in a circuit from the positive terminal of the cell to the negative terminal of the cell through the bulb and ammeter. You can check it out in the PowerPoint presentation which I have sent to you. So there is a small numerical here. You can use this formula I is equal to Q by T and solve. Numericals are easy if you know the formula.